So we have an update in the Donna Adelson case. She was just arraigned today. The hearing lasted less than an hour. It's typical for arraignments, but there also was a hearing on the emergency motion. Now, the judge asked for clarification on what Donna's attorney was talking about when she mentioned some of those observations. You recall the white lady comment allegedly made by the jailers, etc. Del Caso said that these weren't observations made by her, meaning she wasn't there in the jail talking to Donna about these observations. She instead says that Benjamin Rashbaum, Charlie's attorney, he was actually the one visiting Charlie at the time, and he ends up swapping that visit to meet with Donna. That's unclear on how that whole thing happened, but whatever. That's where Del Caso learned of the issues and the comments that were being made towards Donna, allegedly. Now, they also say that Donna has no privacy there, no ability to meet with her. She can't have any paperwork because she's on direct observation, aka watch, unaliving watch. Now, there were two attorneys that represented the sheriff's office and the jail, said that there's no impediment for Donna to contact her attorney. She can talk to them at any point. The reason that she's still under direct observation is because she had made several comments about self-harm. They say that she can talk to her attorney via her tablet. She can meet that attorney in person. The only thing that she cannot do is use her tablet with a headset because the headset could become a ligature. But they basically shut down the whole notion that the attorney can't visit her client. Which then asks about the whole self-harm, direct observation, because that was another thing, like, why is she still on direct observation when Miami released her from it just a few days into her confinement? And obviously every jail has different protocols, so one size doesn't fit all in this instance. During this whole time that the judge is asking about self-harm, and they're talking about why they made the decision, because they heard the 25-minute phone call from Donna to Charlie talking about how she wanted to die using pills, and she ends up smirking, she's laughing, she's shaking her head. When they talk about the pill comment, or when they make the pill comment, Donna says, "Oh my God," you can watch it here.
She made a statement that she wanted to die. Now, before she was arrested in Miami, she also had a phone call with her son, who's obviously in jail here. 25-minute phone call. I personally listened to it. She very clearly spoke about a plan to kill herself using sleeping pills.
One moment, Ms. Adelson, please keep your comments to yourself. Let your lawyer argue on your behalf.
Chief Mack explains the procedure about direct observation, saying, like, listen, this is what we do. This is standard for everybody. This is not specific to Donna Adelson. She is evaluated daily. Del Caso, aka Donna's defense attorney, went in on him for a very long period of time. Chief Mack is asked to explain the procedure. He goes over the whole thing to say that Donna is being evaluated daily. There's no issue, but he goes back to make a comment about the self-harm aspect, and he drops a bombshell, in my opinion, that I didn't really know about. He said that in the recording he heard, that part of the 25-minute call, he didn't hear the whole thing, just the part about self-harm and the pact she had with her husband. So that means that Harvey and Donna were planning on going out together. The whole thing, Donna's being very Karen with a bunch of looks that she's doing. I'll show you right now. Attorney of record for the jail and for the sheriff say that there's two things that Donna needs to do. First, she needs to file a grievance, that she has to do that no matter what. Then, if she's not satisfied with whatever the outcome is of that, she's welcome to go down the civil suit route, because the judge can't really do an injunction at this point. This one attorney for the sheriff got on record to say, listen, I know that this attorney was sitting here, the defense attorney was sitting here saying that she's tried nonstop to contact me in my office, and I will unequivocally say nobody has tried to contact me. Even the attorney for the sheriff's office, or for the jail, said, listen, these medical records of Donna's evaluations have never been requested. Not one person, either the state or the defense, has come to me to ask for this. So I think she's telling a little lie, but who knows? So on the order, the judge said that the Sixth Amendment violation that was alleged, there's no finding of that, so it was denied. It did say that the jail does need to facilitate the option for Donna to meet privately with her attorney, and that they need to be able to meet, follow the policy, etc. In terms of filing an injunction or doing an injunction against the sheriff's office and the jail. He doesn't have the authority to do so, that she must exhaust all the remedies that will allow for a third party, aka the defense attorney wants Donna to be observed by a psychiatrist of her choosing that will obviously say that she's okay to get out of direct observation, but they can't do that until they follow the proper procedure. Discovery has already been provided to the defense counsel, and this defense counsel is ready to get going. She said, listen, Judge, by January, I'm ready to go. As long as I have access to Donna when I need to talk to her and when she needs to talk to me so she can help in her defense, let's do it. And the judge was like, listen, girl, so when a court date is filed and set, you got to be good with it because we're not going back. And so she said, okay, we'll see January 2024. In the meantime, Donna then entered her plea, which of course she entered as not guilty. So what do you think of all this? What do you think of Donna's faces, really?